You, you need to go? Or did you already make it? You're making it.
Yeah.
Is your diaper already poop? No, don't push, don't push. Wait, go potty. Go potty. If you say poo poo, we gotta go potty. Did you already poo poo?
Yeah.
Oh, Alex. What did you just say?
I said grown-ups are not allowed to scribble.
And is that a scribbling?
Yeah.
What do you think that means? Do you think grown-ups are allowed to scribble?
In danger.
Who's in danger?
You.
We've been having a very artistic morning. So this one's by Alexander. And this one's by Alexander too. And we got these two by Dada. And we've got these two by Dada. I made 4 drawings. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Another little shelf. Came out pretty good this time. Just a little roughness on this edge. But yeah, pretty good.
5 more sets of 5.
3, yeah, okay. Well, I'm gonna do 5 more pull-ups now.
You can do 5 more right now. You got it. You got it.
Here's somebody's.
Oh, my anxiety is just like.
Okay, so you are exactly like Stephanie, where you walk in a room and you're like, this affects how I feel.
Yeah. Yeah. Stand picture and.
I don't know if I'm ever gonna put up pictures of Arnold Schwarzenegger in here.
4 more.
Se puede poner con vea, este puede pasar por este caminito, se come el negro y pasa ahí. This is like a fire zone.
Hey Steph, what's going on?
I know.
Me.
So I asked on Anchor Make subreddit about that little dot that always gets put down in the middle. And a couple other people had experienced that. And they just said they like retracted the filament prior to printing. Just seems like a big pain. So let's see if we can catch it and make a really good print today. Now we just gotta knock the dot off. Quickly now. What's the point of calibration cards when that's 0.12, which looks great here, but there it's like too far apart. It's like diagonal is different than going straight? I don't know.